Hello there. Welcome back to Grade 10 Business Studies. In this video, we want to look at a question paper of March 2023, and we're going to look at the common test essay. So these operations are at its own, the concept of quality in particular. So this is the question that we have. So we are given information that we're given. Quality is the ability of a product to meet them in place so that it can ensure smooth production and financial business functions of the business. So believe that now, that's why I've got requirement of question where it reads with the rest part, it reads outline the importance of differentiating between quality control and quality assurance. And then we have questions whereby we have administration functions, advise business on the correlation between management and the success of business in achieving its objectives, strengths, and weaknesses. So basically, that's what we have. So we are just going to look at the main body of our essay. Remember, our essay is supposed to be our introduction, our main body, and then we also have our conclusion. But according to this video, we are only going to look at the main body, whereby we are going to start on the first part, which says outline the importance of quality. But obviously, we need to know what is quality for businesses. So in particular, what we mean by quality. So quality basically, as a word, it means the standard of something as measured against other things of a similar kind. So when you have a standard of something, we measure that standards against other things of similar kind, then we regard that as quality, or the degree of excellence of something can also mean quality. So when it becomes quality for business or quality on businesses, we are saying we are looking at how products meet all customer requirements, standards, and specifications. And also, we would also want to see that uh, producing a good or provision of a service that conform to customer specification. So basically, that's the explanation that we have in terms of quality on businesses. So our question leads us to outline the importance of quality for businesses. So obviously, better quality also leads to better quality of the business leads to better services that we are going to offer to our customers. It also leads to better products that we are going to offer to our customers. We are going to notice increase in sales, increase in revenue, and also it's going to heighten our profit margin. So there are various positives that we can deduce from quality for businesses. So that is within that context that how we are going to come up with the importance of quality for businesses. So going to our answer section, you would see that we have various lists that we have in terms of importance of quality of businesses. So we have in increased customer satisfaction. Then our next point saying time and resources are used efficiently. So whenever we have quality on our businesses, it means we're going to utilize our time and resources efficiently in terms of our activities that we are undertaking in the business. And then also our productivity increases through proper time management. So in terms of our productivity, remember productivity, we are saying on average, number of units that are being produced by each worker represents the productivity. So obviously, when we have got a better quality of business, all our business, the productivity is going to increase. And then next, the portfolio of services are constantly improved, resulting in increased levels of customer satisfaction. So we are seeing to see that customer satisfaction on business goals may be achieved. We are going to achieve our business goals. We are also going to work in line with our mission and vision. So on the next point, the business is a competitive advantage over its competitors. Obviously, with better quality, we can have a competitive advantage over our competitors. So on the second to last point, it increased the market share or more customers or improve profitability. So with the better quality also, we're going to see an increase in market share as we're going to win customers, and also profitability is going to be achieved. So and also lastly, improves business image and there are less defects or returns. Obviously, with quality, it means there's efficiency in the production processes, and obviously the effect of producing defect products is going to be minimized. So that's what we have. So we have other points that we can also include in between that are also correct. So we go to the next part of our question, whereby it reads, differentiate between quality control and quality assurance. Differences that we have between quality control and quality assurance. But when we're talking about quality control is a process by which entities review the quality of all factors involved in production. So when you review factors that are involved in production, we're talking about maybe land, labor, and capital. That's undertaking quality control. Then I will also have quality assurance. So on the quality assurance part, we are saying it's a systematic process used to determine if a product or service meets quality standards. So trying to see if our product or service meets quality standards is quality assurance. So basically, that's what we have. So our question now needs us to come up with discrepancies or differences that exist between quality control and quality assurance. And obviously, we have that articulated in our answer section, whereby we have a table form, the quality control column and then the quality assurance column, where they are trying to highlight the differences between quality control and quality assurance. So on the first difference is that under quality control, we're standard. So obviously, under quality control, we're saying the product is inspected in the after it has been produced, and then we see if it's meeting in the standards. That's quality control. But under quality assurance, we are saying carried out during and after the production process. So under quality assurance, we are saying it's an ongoing process that we undertake during the production of that product, which is opposed to quality control, where we are only concerned after we've produced. So we're saying quality assurance carried out being met at every stage of the process. Then second, targets measuring performance and taking corrective action. So make sure that everything that is done is correct. So that's the difference. So under quality assurance ensures that it prevents mistakes from happening again. So there's no way that we are going to take corrective action under quality assurance, because we make sure that during the process, everything that is being done is checking raw materials are employed as maintained, and then under is opposed to checking for quality. So basically, that's the third difference that we have. So that's what we have on that part. So that's of the following business functions. We've got administration function and our financial function. So obviously, we would also want to actually understand what we mean by quality indicator. What are we looking for? So basically, the quality indicator is a quantitative measure used to evaluate a company's performance in terms of quality. So on the other hand, we will see that it's a measurement or value which gives you an idea of what something is like. So basically, and that's what we mean by an indicator. So we are looking within that context in terms of the administration function, but we know that the administration function it involves organizing and supervising an organization or institution. So the issue of organizing and supervising is under the administration function, and also it involves planning, organizing, directing, and controlling. So some of the duties done under administrative function includes filing information, keeping data in storage, answering calls, and also welcoming and greeting guests is also part of our administration function. So within that context, we are now looking for quality indicators. So we have that also articulated in our answer section, whereby we are going to look at administration function first, reliable data capturing available to management and making. The next one, use effective risk management, assurance or control or evaluation is kept neatly and orderly in a safe place. So this is the rundown of the quality indicators that we have under the administration function. Then we go to the next function, which is the financial function. And obviously, the explanation in terms of the financial function is that it involves practices and activities are focused on managing business financial resources to generate profits. So it involves managing financial resources, analyzing data to support decision making, and ensuring financial stability. So basically, that's what we have under the financial function. So in terms of the quality indicators now, the first indicator that we are having there is saying obtain capital from the most suitable or available or reliable sources. Capital, we are saying maybe these are the this include also source of the finances that we are going to utilize, where they're coming from. So that's what we have. Then second, negotiate better. Remember, is the cost of borrowing money. So the financial function makes sure that the interest rate from where we are sourcing the funds is low, so that we face less cost of borrowing. So basically, that's what we have in resources. So budgets are basically they come in the form of forecasting in terms of how we are going to spend and receive our money in terms of revenue against our expenses. That is the budget. The next one, keep financial records remains, and then analyze strategies to increase sources of passive income. So how do we see that our financial function is working properly, is being successful in its operations? We see that through these points that are listed. So that's the essence that we have. Then the next point, implement financial control measures or systems to prevent fraud. So we have other indicators that we can also include under the financial function that are also correct. Then we try to see, according to the next requirement of our question, which is now the additional part, we say advise businesses on the correlation between management and the success of business activities, objectives, strengths, and weaknesses. Obviously, the correlation that exists there is that a better management is going to lead to the achievement of our objectives. It's going to enhance the strengths that we possess and reduce the weaknesses. So basically, that's the correlation that is there. Better management leads to better results in terms of achievement of objectives. and so on. So basically, that's how we're going to articulate it in our answer section. So we go to our additional information, try to see what we have. So we have the correlation just here, and the correlation between management and the success of business in achieving its objectives, strengths and weaknesses. The first point that we have is that poor management can result in ineffective employees and loss in productivity, which is very correct. And then we have the right this. So basically, that's what we have. Then obviously we want to see according to other points that we might also include on that part. Remember, this is the additional part, and obviously it is on our. So the next point is that quality decisions and performance contributes to the achievement of business objectives. And then the next point, quality management practice success factors enhance the strength of the business. So basically, that's what we have on the last part, which is the additional part. And obviously, we have to end with your conclusion. But according to this video, we were just looking at the main body. So thank you for listening. Let's not forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's not forget to share the link to our colleagues who are doing retail business studies. More typical examination questions will be uploaded on this channel. So let's stay tuned. Let's turn on the notification button after subscribing so that we get notified of new uploads. As for this video, I'm out. Let's meet again in the next video.